The Republican National Committee is a U.S. political committee that leads the Republican Party of the United States. It is responsible for developing and promoting the Republican political platform, as well as coordinating fundraising, election strategy, and a party brand. It is also responsible for organizing and running the Republican National Convention. Similar committees exist in every U.S. state and most U.S. counties. Although in some states party organization is structured by congressional district, allied campaign organizations being governed by a national committee. Ronna McDaniel is the current committee chairwoman. The RNC's main counterpart is the Democratic National Committee. The 1856 Republican National Convention appointed the first RNC. It consisted of one member from each state and territory to serve for 4 years. Each national committee since then has followed the precedent of equal representation for each state or territory, regardless of population. From 1924 to 1952, there was a national committeeman and national committeewoman from each state and U.S. possession. And from Washington, D.C. in 1952, committee membership was expanded to include the state party chairs of states that voted Republican in the preceding presidential election, have a Republican majority in their congressional delegation, or have Republican governors. By 1968, membership reached 145. As of 2011, the RNC has 168 members. The only person to have chaired the RNC and later become U.S. President is George H. W. Bush. A number of the chairs of the RNC have been state governors. In 2013, the RNC began an outreach campaign towards the American youth and minority voters. After studies showed these groups generally perceived that the Republican Party did not care about their concerns. During the presidency of Donald Trump, the RNC showed staunch fealty to Trump, even at times when prominent Republicans did not. Under Ronna McDaniel's leadership, the RNC ran ads for Trump's 2020 campaign as early as 2018. Put numerous Trump campaign workers and affiliates on the RNC payroll. Spent considerable funds at Trump-owned properties. Covered his legal fees in the Russian interference investigation. Hosted Trump's fake news awards. And criticized Trump critics within the Republican Party. 2 days after Trump was considered by many to have incited a pro-Trump mob to storm the U.S. Capitol, the RNC held an event where members expressed fealty to Trump and celebrated him. The Republican National Committee's main function is to lead the Republican Party of the United States. It is responsible for developing and promoting the Republican political platform, as well as coordinating fundraising and election strategy. It is also responsible for organizing and running the Republican National Convention. The current chair of the Republican National Committee is Ronna McDaniel, serving since 2017. McDaniel was previously chair of the Michigan Republican Party from 2015 to 2017. In January 2019, Thomas O. Hicks Jr. was elected co-chairman of the RNC. Hicks has a strong connection to President Trump's campaigns and policy initiatives. Having served as chairman of the America First Action PAC in America First Policies and as National Finance co-chairman for Donald J. Trump for president. Similar committees to the RNC exists in each U.S. state and most U.S. counties. The RNC also organizes volunteer groups for specific interests, such as the Black Republican Activists, GOP Hispanics, RNC Women, GOP Faith, Asian Pacific Americans, Young Leaders and Veterans and Military Families. On November 24, 2008, Steele launched his campaign for the RNC chairmanship with the launching of his website. On January 30, 2009, Steele won the chairmanship of the RNC in the 6th round, with 91 votes to Dawson's 77. Source: CQ Politics and Poll Pundit. On announcing his candidacy to succeed RNC chairman Duncan, former Maryland Lt. Gov. Michael Steele described the party as being at a crossroads and not knowing what to do. "I think I may have some keys to open the door, some juice to turn on the lights," he said. 6 people ran for the 2009 RNC chairmanship. Steele, Ken Blackwell, Mike Duncan, Saul Anuzzis, Curtin Dawson and Chip Saltzman. After Saltzman's withdrawal, there were only 5 candidates during the hotly contested balloting January 30, 2009. After the third round of balloting that day, Steele held a small lead over incumbent Mike Duncan of Kentucky, with 51 votes to Duncan's 44. Shortly after the announcement of the standings, Duncan dropped out of contention without endorsing a candidate. Ken Blackwell, the only other African American candidate, dropped out after the 4th ballot and endorsed Steele. Though Blackwell had been the most socially conservative of the candidates and Steele had been accused of not being sufficiently conservative, Steele picked up Blackwell's votes. After the 5th round, Steele held a 10-vote lead over Curtin Dawson. W.